Morning folks, Sunday morning. Myself and Mr. Tightwood have come out for the day with obviously a human dog, Baldrick, eating grass over there. So we've come over to Covert. We ain't been over here for a while, and it looks like they're, yeah, seems like ages, doesn't it? Well, I think last time we came here was like when it was earlier on in the year, when it was just waterlogged, wasn't it?
I know, it was like the sun, wasn't it?
Yeah,
Bocage.
it was absolutely, you know, shocking. So yeah, we'll just come out for the day. Weather's really nice. I think Mike Smith is coming over as well. So yeah, just the three of us, and just a little video of capture of the day. So stay tuned. Yeah.
They look quite honest, because really likes me, mate.
Yeah, but I like dogs.
You'd be doing good boy. You'd be a big boy. Up when you had it. So, if you was
yeah, might use one of these little gel blocks. Get it going. Might not even need the whole thing. Cool, they're slimy, aren't they? Yeah. Cool. I'll soon watch my hands catch fire, isn't it? Oh, blimey. Probably work on its own. Oh my never. Ground's hard. There's actually some muntjac over there, you can hear them calling. And apart from when the planes fly over, it's relatively quiet here. When I did the video some time back, it might have been, you know, obviously when the deer have a little go into their little fight. This is where I videoed it, in this woodland, so there is quite a lot of deer here, but there's also muntjac, but I'm trying to pick them up on the camera, but at the moment I can't see nothing. So hopefully I've got some of the fatwood in the tin again, so hopefully I'll get a better result out of it. If I don't, then at least I've got some charcoal out of it anyway. So I'm just kind of sitting here a little bit quiet. Mac, as I say, is sort of chilling out in his hammock. I'm having a brew. And he's just trying to see if the muntjac will come in a bit closer, or if I can pick him up on the camera. Right, so here it is. Let's see now. Hopefully we'll have a better turnout than what I did at the other place. I'll just keep the camera rolling for this, folks. Just scrape the embers out. Get some of that dirt out of the way. Yes! Thank you, Lord. There is a God. There is a God, man. You know, sorry, I don't even know why I take on that accent. There we go, folks. That wasn't a bad little drop there. Let that cool down. And then I also get some charcoal out of it, which I'm just collecting up at the moment every time I muck around with the fatwood. So there you go, got some nice charcoal out of it as well. I'll do though for now because there's still a bit of heat coming out. I'll put the lid on and then just suffocate it. So wicked. Got some more pine pitch for my experiment with making some insect repellent. So result. So time to get breakfast on, I suppose. Get into that. Plan B.
I had an event shelter. That's going too close.
Oh shit, yeah, that. Yeah, I've still got the material for that, mate. Come across it the other day in the shed.
Yeah?
Yeah.
last few weeks. We've got a bit of rain coming.
Ridge line already required. I love it, sir. You're on it, sir, ain't you? You're on it, Mike. What is it you're doing there, Dad, apart from making a mess?
Hey,
What is it you're making there, sir?
I'm making another atlatl launcher.
So you need a chucky stick, please?
Yeah, me chucky stick, spear chucker.
Yeah.
I was just trying to be a bit fancy with this one.
Don't eat the grass. It tingles when you eat the grass. I don't put that tingles on. What are you doing? Isn't it better than I did? Trying to be bloody keep some or whatever was lovely when I opened that up. Not a lot of great bedrooms. In the position. I'm surprised you didn't get bored of us when you got in your mate, to be honest. I was filming that, I thought, well, he's going to do it. You little monkey, you're a dog monkey. You're a monkey. Make it swing, baby.
Charcoal's definitely calmed down yet. Put that in the pouch. Take some of that home. That's the old pine pitch. Actually should be pretty cooled down now and solid. I've got to worry about. That's a bit sticky. That's a gorgeous smell that though. It ain't going to tip out now anyway. When I put that away in the rucksack, I'll leave it standing up so it don't come out. I bought myself a number of these fire pot sachets. I popped along to go outdoors yesterday. I suppose you can get them from other stores as well, but these are, you know, I picked them up out of there. I've got a beef stew and pearl barley. That's what I'm going to have for my lunch. Obviously got to rehydrate it. My mate Barney will probably be having kittens now, knowing that I'm using this dehydrated stuff. But what impressed me was the it's 520 calories per bag, which is obviously pretty good if you're out, you know, burning a lot of calories, or if you're out on the hills or just doing bushcraft or whatever it is you're doing, you know. But literally, you just got to take the two the two moisture packets out of it. Resealable at the top there. You could probably reuse that bag if you were that desperate. And then just pour it up to, it says up to level 4, and then leave it for 15 minutes. Let it stand for 15 minutes and then consume. So yeah, so it's quite a good sort of energy value for you know, for sort of like a small bag of food. So Barney, suck it up, sunshine. So yeah, it's got that nice beefy smell. I've seen them come up on Instagram, I think it is, seen a few people, you know, trying them out or whatever, so I thought I'd just give them a go for myself. They only had a variety of 3 or 4 pouches in there, and I bought 3 of them. Bought a chili con carne, a tofu one, and obviously the beef stew with pearl barley, so I'm going to have this for my lunch. Good excuse for me to go out on a sesh later, won't it? The water's nearly boiling there now, so I can put it on. So fill it up to the level 4. It's great that they've got markings on the outside, but what about the inside? I can't see the markings on the inside. So saying 4, which I think that's just about there. I don't know whether or not you're supposed to just leave it and let the water. So I'll give it a little stir anyway. So I'll do that up. Check the old phone. Alright, 15 minutes. I'll see you in 15 minutes time. Well, I'll tell you what, that ain't too bad. Would I eat them all the time? No, definitely not. But I probably would invest in a few more just to stick in my kit. Or even stick them into my ration packs. I've actually got a ration pack with me. I'll show you that. There's the other two that I've got. One's the vegan orzo bolognese. Are you for real? You couldn't plan it, could you? They say you should never work with kids or dogs. Hey. That's alright. And that's the chili con carne and rice one. As I say, I'd have them as an extra. I might even put them in a ration pack. But this is one of my little ration packs that I've made up. Some of you might know that I used to do a lot of Duke of Edinburgh's Award when I was doing my mountain leader stuff, and because I was spending a lot of time in the hills, what I used to do is make myself up a filing system of ration packs, and then I would just take them out of me. Now this one has obviously got it's got a potato and ham thing in there in the Mylar bag. I've got a sauce to go with it, Trek bars, some coffees and stuff like that, some pasta, some high calorie stuff. And it's kind of just handy to have vacuum sealed. This is an Andrew James kind of setup that I've got, and it literally just, I'll vacuum seal them up, and then I can obviously pick one up and stick it in my gear for when I'm camping or whatever. So yeah, so these old fire pots are quite handy. They're nice enough, and they're quite high calorie, with what you want. But like Mike was saying as well, sometimes it's not enough in just one. You almost want a double helping or another extra half a helping or something, just to sort of bulk it up a little bit. But they're good all the same. I mean, calorie wise, 525. This one's 600, so they're not bad. But it's probably obviously a better option just to make your own as well. So there you go.